If you want to know how I made more than $8,500 on YouTube without making my own videos, then stay tuned. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. With this video I will start a new video series where I want to show you how you can also earn money on YouTube without making your own videos. So this is the first video of the series, and in this video I want to show you my earnings so you know that I'm not lying to you. Right now I'm in Google AdSense, which is the page where all YouTubers get paid. It's where our money is stored and we can withdraw our earned money at the end of each month. You have to know that all this money was not earned with the channel where I uploaded this video, but with many other channels that I have. Also, my earnings were made in euros because I live in Germany, but I changed it into US dollars for the international viewers of this video. So up here you can see the period when I started with the videos. I started in January 2016 and I want to show you the earnings in the first 9 months. As you can see, it's just $80, and I know it's not a lot, but it showed me that this method actually works, so that motivated me to continue. Now I want to show you the month after, which was October, and these are the earnings just from October, about $560. That means that I earned more in 1 month than the other 9 months before. Then I started optimizing even more because I saw what's working and what's not, and here you can see the earnings for November. In November it's already more than $1,300. And now here is the highlight. When I really optimized everything 100%, I really did the maximum I could, and here I earned more than $6,500 in only one single month, and all this without making my own videos. As you can see here, I earned more than $580 in just one day. What methods I used and how I did all this, I will tell you in my next videos. So subscribe to my channel and watch all the videos to learn my methods. What I also want to tell you is that you won't earn this much money from one day to another. As I showed you before, it took me 1 year to reach it, but it was definitely worth it. And I want to give you my methods and tricks so you can reach it even faster than me. Like this, it will be much faster for you, but you'll still need 1, 2 or 3 months until starting to earn money. That's why I will teach you my methods in the next videos. So see you in the next video.